Meaning of industrial estate.
Industrial estate.
Industrial estate.
Industrial estate.
Industrial estate. An industrial estate refers to a designated area or zone that is primarily used for industrial and commercial activities. Such areas may have multiple buildings or factories, each of which is devoted to a specific industry or type of business. They often offer a range of facilities and services to support these businesses, such as access to transportation networks and utilities like water and electricity. Overall, industrial estates provide a centralized hub for industries and businesses to operate within, helping to increase efficiency and productivity while also reducing costs through economies of scale.